Hi, James here, your tax expert online, coming to you back with video number 7 in my series on U.S. taxation issues in the cryptocurrency area. So today I want to talk about tax returns, what's necessary for your 2017 tax return. And I know as you view this video that probably as many people who are viewing it, there will be that many different starting points for you because you're all individuals in your own different situations. So I'm not going to attempt here to say go to this exchange, download these particular statements, and I'm just going to summarize here for you in a way that will be useful to you to refer back to what it is that we really need, both in terms of requirements to file the return as well as as well as information that we need to ensure that we're computing the lowest legal tax liability for you. So here we go. So we need to know everything in the cryptocurrency space, the coins, that you have ever purchased, not just confined to 2017. We need to know the dates of each acquisition of currency. We need to know the amount that was paid, and we need to know the description. So, was it 1 Bitcoin, or was it, a fractional amount above or below, 1 Bitcoin, or all the other units of cryptocurrency that exist. And so we need to know everything what you own, and it's not even just what you own at the end of 2017, but anything that you ever acquired. We also need to know about exchanges. We need to know what you have given up. So if you have, as we talked about before, if you had exchanges for other property, we need to know what you gave up in coins of the exchange, the date that occurred, what you gave up, and then the fair market value of what was received in return. So there has to be a determination, if you will, of the fair market value of the property you gave up. You remember, we presume that the property that you received, its fair market value is equivalent to the fair market value of what you gave up. So there may be some issue about the currency you're getting if you're exchanging for a currency. What was its fair market value on a trading platform at that moment that you made the exchange? Might be more difficult to obtain than, for example, what you gave up, what the fair market value was at that time. So that's what we need to know. We need to know the what you gave up, what its value was at the time that you gave it up, and the date that you gave it up. We need to know in an exchange what it was for. So was it an exchange, and give us a description, for other currency, or was it an exchange for a good, a product, other property, or was it an exchange for a service? So we're trying to also establish the basis that you have in any remaining cryptocurrency assets that you hold at the end of 2017 to carry you into 2018, and then we can begin to also do some planning based on what you might be expecting to happen with respect to those currencies going forward. And so we have some options when we're preparing the return, which I'll talk about in the next video, to help minimize the tax. But we need all of this data and all of the data in order to be able to report it properly, as well as to plan and get the correct tax liability for you. So, all right, with that, I will sign off, and I'll see you on the next one, and see you on the other side.